Yo, welcome to Physics with Vinay. I am Vinay and I'm back. So सबसे पहले तो if you're an older subscriber, you probably know कि मेरे eyes में थोड़ा सा issues हो रहे थे while screen recording, looking in the iPad. I had some issues with my vision. It was getting a little blurry, especially in my right eye. That's why I decided to switch from screen recording to old school whiteboard teaching. And honestly, the last time I taught on the whiteboard was lockdown के पहले. That's 2.5 years ago. Right now, I realize कि how much I missed whiteboard teaching. And ये जो मार्कर है मेरे हाथ में उसको पकड़ते हुए ही मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब भी मैं शुरू कर दूँ पढ़ाना. That's how excited I am for this new chapter in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let me just tell you a little bit about the plan going forward इस YouTube channel पे. I want to talk to both 2023 as well as 2024 aspirants. 2024 के लिए अगर मैं पहले बात करूँ तो I want to start a full lecture series on this YouTube channel, theory as well as problems. And in my lectures, I want to take you from एकदम basics से JEE advanced level तक. And theory problems दोनों और problems भी I'm going to make you solve इरोडोव लेवल, पाथफाइंडर लेवल, जो recent JEE advanced लेवल के क्वेश्चन है, डिफिकल्ट टाइप के या फिर डिफरेंट टाइप के, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग वाले, वो सारे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस I want to make you solve in the class itself. As most of you know or should know that JEE advanced का जो recent years के papers है, the level is the questions are different. The paper setters are trying to create new type of questions which require out of the box thinking. So for those kind of questions, my aim is to make you do those questions along with theory the very first time that you're studying the chapter itself. लोग बोलते हैं कि इरोडोव पाथफाइंडर तो बहुत टफ है. In my opinion and experience, it is tough because it's different, and it's different because people don't have the exposure or experience of such kind of problems. अगर जस्ट इमेजिन करो तुम इस लेवल पे सॉल्व कर रहे हो जो यूजुअल क्वेश्चन सब सॉल्व करते हैं व्हेन दे आर एनरोल्ड इन सम कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, जो लेवल के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं यूजुअली, यू complete a full syllabus solving this level of questions, and then one day you decide to solve JEE advanced level या pathfinder level which is at this level. So of course suddenly जब तुम solve करोगे वो level का question, they will seem tough to you. That is just common sense. My aim in this course is to make that level seem normal to you. I'm going to start from basics, but I'm going to make you solve that level and make it normal right from the beginning. तुमको शायद लगेगा कि यार पाथफाइंडर, इरोडोव ये सब तो बहुत टफ लेवल है, कैसे समझ में आएगा? I assure you, in my lectures, you will understand every single thing start to end. 11th standard में, if you're in 11th standard, काइनेमेटिक्स के फर्स्ट लेक्चर में I will make you do इरोडोव and पाथफाइंडर और तुमको पता भी नहीं चलेगा because that level will be normal. By the time you reach your JEE advanced, it will just be a normal problem. Solve करो, move on. In fact, इसी साल पाथफाइंडर का डायरेक्ट मॉडर्न फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन आया था वर्ड टू वर्ड JEE 2022 में, एंड अगर तुमने पाथफाइंडर में सॉल्व किया होता JEE 2022 में, दोज वर लाइक फ्री मार्क्स. अगर नहीं किया होता then that would have been very tough to solve for the first time. That is my aim here. We have to accept कि everybody, all the serious aspirants are doing this level of problems and you should too. अब अगर ट्रस्ट की बात करूँ कि you might think यार ये मेरा चैनल है, मैं तो ऐसा बोलूँगा कि ये पढ़ाऊँगा वो पढ़ाऊँगा. Don't trust me blindly. आओ बैठो देखो मेरा lectures and decide for yourself. All in all, I am really looking forward to this. इस चेहरे को अच्छे तरह से देख लो, पहचान लो, because you're going to be seeing a lot of this from now on. I am genuinely excited about this and I hope you're as excited as I am. Time to change the game. Let's go! As you can see, I'm really excited. I just want to start teaching right now. मुझे तो ऐसा मन कर रहा है कि मैं अभी पढ़ाना शुरू कर दूँ. मतलब the energy levels through me is just I just want to start teaching. I just want to share everything that is in here with the world. It's a gold mine up here. Because of the frustration of the last few months, जहाँ पे eye issues हो रहे थे, health issues हो रहे थे, lack of time था. That's why I just really want to start. Anyway, I have to tell myself कि ये lecture नहीं है. Lecture मिलेगा, पढ़ाने का मौका मिलेगा. In fact, मैं schedule भी बताऊंगा इस week का. So watch till the end. अच्छा, So one thing that I want is input from you guys कि which chapter should I start off with? Kinematics से शुरू करूँ, laws of motion से शुरू करूँ या कोई और chapter से शुरू करूँ? In my opinion, I still want to start off with kinematics, even though you may have already studied it, because I'm very sure, 100% sure, you'll be able to learn something new, some new concept or some new approach to solving the common problems, और फिर revision भी हो जाएगा. By the time side by side जैसे तुम पढ़ रहे हो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में, तुम्हारे जो आगे के चैप्टर्स साइड बाय साइड रिवाइज द ओल्ड चैप्टर्स थ्रू माय वीडियोस. एंड अगर 2023 की बात करूँ मैं, तो 2023 के लिए आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अ क्रैश कोर्स एज आई हैव अनाउंस्ड अर्लियर एज वेल. क्रैश कोर्स विल बी प्रॉब्ली फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू, तुम लोगों ने सब कमेंट्स किया था एंड यू गाइस टोल्ड मी कब तुम्हारा सिलेबस खत्म हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक अराउंड फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर साउंड्स गुड. Enrollment will begin in October, and like almost all of you told me कि you would like Pathfinder questions to be solved as part of the homework for the crash course, so that will be there with full video solutions. And and my aim in crash course is to make sure that you don't have to touch physics outside of that crash course. You can focus completely on maths and chem. Physics मेरे पे छोड़ देना. I will cover all concepts in that period of time in the crash course, and you can check out my lectures जो मैंने 2022 के लिए थोड़े से lectures बनाए थे. crash course playlist है इस YouTube channel पे. You can check it out to get an idea. Electrostatics का ही देख लो lecture, दो lectures है उस पे. You can see the level and the depth in which I'm going to be teaching. वो वैसे screen recorded lectures थे, ये वाले सारे whiteboard पे होंगे, but the content is going to be pretty much similar. अच्छा, इस week के अगर schedule की बात करूँ, so Tuesday को today is Sunday, so Tuesday को I'm going to be releasing a Gamechanger lecture, जो मेरा Gamechanger course है. If you're not familiar with it, go check it out on vinayuppal.com. The link is in the description. Check it out, check out the free lectures, and I'm sure you'll get to learn something new. तो जो गेम चेंजर है, बोथ 2023 एंड 2024 का जो कोर्स है, दोनों में ये गेम चेंजर लेक्चर आएगा, एंड आई अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब एज वेल. So this is a very nice lecture on some very unique methods and applications to a wide variety of problems. तो वो एक बार देख लेना. I wanted to start off with that first. फिर Thursday से I'm going to start off with the full lecture series. सबसे पहले I guess lecture first of probably kinematics, depending on what you guys say. Tentatively I'm just taking kinematics first lecture, और फिर Saturday को second lecture. ये सब basics से करेंगे, basics से JEE advanced level तक, like I said. So, I think that's it for today. Keep working hard, मेहनत करते रहो. Consistency is the key, and join me, because one day, not only me, but the entire world is going to see you at the top. Good night.